Now when you go and search for yourself, go and try out with your name. This is the first thing that you would want to try. Go and Google your name. Do you find yourself? Do you find your website coming on the top? Well, if that is not happening, that is a big problem. Hello friends, welcome back to Real Estate, Websites and Marketing Show with me, Savan Kumar. Here in this show, we make sure that marketing no longer remains to be a puzzle for you, technology no longer a problem for you, and scaling digitally no longer a trouble, a problem, a puzzle, whatever you say. So today we are going to talk about SEO. Why do real estate agents, brokers need SEO services? Why does your website, your business needs SEO service? I know that most of us think that SEO is a waste of time. SEO is a waste of money. Well, what is SEO? Search engine optimization. How does this work? Most of us know about this. Whenever somebody is searching for you, by putting up your name, or maybe by putting up the best real estate agent, or the real estate agents near me, or top 10 real estate agents around me, whenever somebody is searching for any service that you provide, any service related to you, and the websites that are businesses that are coming on the top, is because of SEO, is because of their optimized presence on search engines. That is what SEO is about. Now when you go and search for yourself, go and try out with your name. This is the first thing that you would want to try. Go and Google your name. Do you find yourself? Do you find your website coming on the top? Well, if that is not happening, that is a big problem, because somebody, let's say some client of yours, referred you to his friend, and now that friend of his is searching you by your name, but when he searches by you by your name, you're not coming on the top. Your business is gone. This is the most basic part of SEO. This is the most basic benefit of SEO. Nothing other than SEO can bring you on the top, even if somebody searches for your name. Nothing other than a good SEO, nothing other than a good optimization of your website for the search engines can bring your website on the top. So this was the small example. What are the other benefits of doing a good and a regular SEO? I know that it does not start giving the results immediately. It takes a while you start seeing the benefits, but you should not be stopping. This should not stop you from investing. This is a long-term investment that you are making. You cannot stop an activity like this, an activity as important as this, because you might run ads, you might run paid campaigns, but people do not always trust an ad. They know when an ad is being seen. They know what a sponsored ad means. They know that this is being promoted. This is not organic. They would trust you more when you come on the top because of organic search results. They would trust you more because that is how organic thing works. So making sure that your SEO, your website is SEO optimized, does make a lot of sense. The number one benefit is you get help in generating good quality of leads. Well, generating leads is easy. Anybody can do it for you. But generating good quality of leads is something that is really difficult. And if you have a good SEO, if you have a good online presence, if you have an optimized online presence, your lead generation task becomes easier. Because even without the ads, you are coming on the top of the pages. You are coming on top of the search engines. When that happens, you do not no longer have to depend always on the ads, because you now start getting organic leads. You now get genuine people looking for your service online on Google and your website coming as a suggestion on the top. What better way of lead generation can be there? Well, even if it takes a year's time to get you to that point, it's worth it. It's worth every paise of investment, every cent of investment that you are making. You can target a specific audience. You can target specific keywords. You can target specific locations. If you want to do a localized SEO, services near me, based on Google Maps, you can do that. So why not? It also gives you the opportunity to keep publishing quality content. Google today is more about how your website can help its users. People searching on Google are the users of Google. So for them, they are more important than you. So Google sees if your website has quality content, keeps updating quality content, consistency in updating quality content, so that the visitors who search for something related to your service or your business gets to read something good on your website. If the people are coming to your website, staying on your website for long enough, Google is happy about it. Google is happy about bringing your website on the top. Google is really glad to get you on the top. So why not? Why not start doing this? You get a quality traffic. Because of SEO, ad traffic can at times be biased, but when you do SEO, people only looking for your services, people looking only for the keywords that you have maybe done your SEO, the content, the type of content that you have been posting, people looking for that kind of content only get suggested with your website or your blog. So you get a good quality traffic. Better brand awareness. After doing a lot of research, if I came up with something like, okay, this was the particular brand that had the best answers to all my questions, well, that is the best brand awareness that can happen. I was everywhere. I was there on social media, I was there on search engine, I was everywhere. Wherever the client looked for the service that I offer, I was found everywhere. In the ads, in the SEO, in the organic results, in the paid results, everywhere it was me. So this improves the brand awareness greatly. The user experience enhances. Because of a good SEO, if it is done for your website, the user experience gets better, because that's what Google is focusing on, user experience. If your website is giving a good user experience, is having the content easily written in a readable way, in a well-designed way, in a mobile-friendly way, these are all parts of enhancing user experience. And when your website gives a good user experience, you are always there on the top. So all of these things, in addition to one more thing, that is that SEO is a long-term marketing strategy. You cannot see it as something quick, that you start getting results in the first month or in the second month. It is a long-term marketing strategy. You cannot choose to avoid it, but rather you need to keep investing a small amount of money month on month to start getting to see the results in a longer period of time. You cannot avoid it, you cannot choose to ignore it. So start working on it either with your own in-house team or outsource it to somebody like us. If you have any questions on SEO services for real estate agencies, feel free to get in touch with me and I'll be helping you with all the answers. Have a good day. Bye-bye.